What is the only surefire way to protect your business from ransomware? No, it's not a new security approach, or an appliance, or disconnecting completely from the internet. The only surefire way to protect your business actually depends on your storage infrastructure. The reality is, despite all the security solutions that aim to prevent ransomware getting through, and all the education of your users not to click on that strange email link, ransomware still happens. You can't eliminate the risk with a strategy primarily focused on keeping ransomware out. Instead, you need another line of defense, and that's where your storage infrastructure can come to the rescue. Let's be honest, ransomware wouldn't be as big a problem if you could just delete the locked files and quickly restore all your data from the point immediately before the ransomware struck. But there are two key challenges with making this approach to ransomware a reality: speed and the security of your backups. Let's look at speed first. It's not just the speed at which you can back up your data, but how quickly you can restore it. In fact, the restore speed is probably the biggest limiting factor in making this last line of defense strategy work. With the enormous volumes of data collected by businesses every hour, we have seen examples of recovery times measured in weeks, not hours or days. And that is obviously an unacceptable time frame from a business continuity measure. To get the raw speed you need for acceptable recovery timeframes, you need FlashBlade, an all-flash storage solution from Pure Storage. Just one key FlashBlade spec shows how our second line of defense strategy can work. 270 terabytes per hour data recovery performance. To put that into real-world terms, we've seen FlashBlade increase database restore speeds by 76 times. So with this capability, our defense strategy is possible. But what about the security of those backups which are increasingly being targeted by ransomware attacks? This is where we need Safe Mode on FlashBlade. Safe Mode takes an automated FlashBlade-wide snapshot of all data and associated metadata that cannot be routinely deleted or modified, even by someone with admin access. So even if your admin credentials have been compromised, your backups remain safe and can't be locked by ransomware. FlashBlade also works natively with Oracle RMAN and leading backup software vendors including Veritas, Veeam, and Commvault. FlashBlade can become the foundation of a modern data hub, capable of supporting additional workloads like AI and analytics. But when it comes to ransomware, it is a true game changer.